Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to tell you about how I made this really simple website using HTML and CSS. So with using basic HTML tags and CSS properties, I made this website which says the top 3 fastest cars in the world. So as you can see, I've inserted images. I overlaid this text on the image. I've inserted a little bit of details about these cars, and then I've inserted images, I've inserted tables, and I've inserted external links. I've inserted links that would take you to the external pages. Like as you can see, I clicked on the link there and it got me to the Wikipedia page. So that's I'm going to explain how I made this website. So this is the code, but let's take a look once again about the output. So this is the output. This is how the overall output looks like. So as you can see, so now let's go to the code. So this is the code I've written. Now I'm going to discuss about the basic tags and all the tags that I've used to make this website, and I will also show you some of the CSS properties that I've made and combine them with the HTML. So now starting from here. So this is the doc type. As you can see, doc type. So doc type tag lets the web browser know that it's a HTML document. That's about doc type. And if you can see the structure of a basic HTML document or HTML web page, we have HTML tag, and we have head tag. So this head tag contains some additional information about the web page, like this metadata or the title. So this information is not directly visible on the web page, but it still gives some additional information about the web page. And within the head, you can also include links, like as you can see, I've included external CSS that's here, or any other external links. You can give it on the head tag. You can give it within the head tag. And now coming to the body tag. So whatever you write, or whatever code you write, whatever things you create here in body tag will be directly visible on the web page. So as you can see, whatever I've written in the head tag, it's nothing visible on the output, but whatever I have written in the body tag, it's completely visible on the web page. So that's the importance of body tag. So whatever you want to be visible on your web page, you have to write it in the body tag. And in the body tag, I've used few tags. You can see center tag, division tag, image tag, heading tags, paragraph tags, line breaks. So I'm going to discuss all of these tags one by one. So now starting from here, as you can see, first tag I've used is div tag. So div tag is a tag that creates some division between other things within the document. And you can see I've created a class for this division tag. As you can see, div class is equal to container. Let me take you to the CSS page. So this is the class I've created. This is a CSS class, and all these are CSS properties. So with the help of these properties, whatever inputs you give, it would be visible on the main page related to these properties. So this container contains the image, this background image, and with the help of those properties, uh, with this div tag, I've showed this image on the web page, and within this div tag I've given another div tag. So in that div tag I've given the main heading, that is top 3 fastest cars in the world. So as you can see, and I've used not few but a bunch of non-breaking spaces here. That's because I wanted to get this text to the center of the web page. So it looks kind of weird, but that's what I did. So that's about division tags. Now you can see a center tag here. What it does is it aligns the content that you write within the center tags to the center of the web page. And that's about center tag. And now paragraph tags. So with these paragraph tags, you can write paragraphs or any of the information you want to show in your web page. As you can see, I've added a few information about the fastest cars, the brands that make the fastest cars, So with the help of paragraph tags, I made this, and you can see a span tag here. So what this span tag does is, using span tag you can edit or apply styles like CSS styles to a small piece of information that will be visible on the web page. So as you can see the output, see these car brands like Bugatti, Koenigsegg, Hennessy, McLaren, Lamborghini and Ferrari. These are highlighted. I mean, these names pop with when you compare with the background text. That's because I used a span tag and I used inline CSS within the span tag to highlight this text. So what I did is I increased the font size and I changed the font style to italic. So that's the use of span tag. And now there's a HR tag here, so it just puts a horizontal line. And then we have BR tags. So BR stands for line break. It is used to go to the next line or just leave a few lines in between. It's a weird way to add padding. And then we have heading tags. So with heading tags you can give the headings. So as you can see, within this heading tag I've given Bugatti Chiron, and I used inline CSS to set the heading color to crimson red color. So as you can see, we have Bugatti Chiron in red color. And that's about heading tags. There are 6 heading tags starting from H1 to H6, H1 being the biggest heading tag and H6 is the smallest heading tag. And that's about heading tags. And now we have table tags. So using these table tags I've inserted the tables, as you can see. So within the table tag I've created classes for each different tables, as you can see. So I've inserted 3 tables in my web page. So I've created 3 different CSS classes. That's because I wanted different color for each table. So I created 3 different classes for each table. So that's about table classes. So within the table class we have tr tag. Within the table tag we have tr tag, which stands for table row, and within the table row we have table heading and then table data. So what that does is, so with the table heading tag you can give the headings of your table, and with table data tag, that's td tag, you can give the data in your table. So that's the use of those tags, table tags. And then we have this anchor tag, a tag. So with the help of this anchor tag you can give some external links to your web page. So if a user clicks on that link, it would take to some other external web page. Like if you can see, if I click on this link, it says click here to learn more about Hennessy Venom V5. So if I click on this thing, it would take me to the Wikipedia page, because that's the path I've set, and that's the link I've set to that anchor tag. So if you can see, if you can have a close look at this anchor tag, it has an attribute href. So within the href, you have to give the link of the web page or some other external web page you want to give. And that's all about this website. These are the tags, basic tags I've used to make this website. And if you can see the CSS page, these are all the classes I've created. I have created a class for heading, and all these are properties regarding the text I've inserted in that particular thing, particular element. So these are the font size, font family. So there are various other CSS properties which you can use to decorate or highlight your text, whatever. And I've created a class for introduction part. As you can see, this is what. So that's pretty much it about this website. So yeah, that's all about this website. Thank you.